joining me. My name is Bree. This is Wander with Bree, and on this channel, we are going to explore all things AI and ChatGPT. We're going to look and see where they come from, what they do, and how we can improve our lives. I don't know about you, but for me, I feel like in my daily life, there's this constant AI is going to take this job, AI is going to take away the creatives, AI is going to do this, and there's a lot of fear. Also, I'm seeing so much opportunity, so much possibility. I personally am in a relationship with a man who is in IT, so I hear both sides of it all the time. It's, oh my gosh, these jobs are going away because of AI, but look at this cool thing I learned on ChatGPT. So right now, my whole life is taken over by AI. I am asking ChatGPT literally everything. And it's been really cool to learn new recipes, to come up with workout regimens, to find books and movies that I might like. So while they do definitely have their limitations, it is not perfect. It is not a human. It is not a critical thinker like we are. So through this channel, stick with me on my adventures where I go. I check out different use cases for ChatGPT and AI, and I'll share them with you. And we can kind of go from there, learn together. My biggest venture to date yet right now is starting a company. So stick with me. I'll fill you in. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is AI and ChatGPT? AI, or also commonly known as artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn just like you and me. Now, ChatGPT, which stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of AI developed by OpenAI. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. So what that tells us is our prompts, our questions are extremely important to work on, hone, and understand to get a response that we need from this technology. So when we're talking about AI, one thing in particular that's been really helpful to me is ChatGPT. So I have two different ChatGPT accounts. One is paid and one is not because I wanted to see what the differences were because I'm still learning what this is and how this works. But ChatGPT is really cool. It's like having a personal assistant with you 24/7 because you can ask it questions. Instead of having to Google it and hope that somebody's put it on Pinterest or something like that, you might be able to get a different idea because it's scouring this wealth of knowledge and coming back with specifically what you're asking for. So you can draft emails, you can write content, you can ask for outlines. Your answer doesn't come through exactly as you need it to be. You can still edit, clarify your prompt. So for me, when I am asking something of ChatGPT, one, it comes up to the very specific question in the very specific format you want to receive the answer. And then two, it's clarifying your prompt to get you what you want. Okay, so now this brings me to my biggest venture that I mentioned in the very beginning, and that is my company. So the company is called Nomadishly. It is a travel company. Um, and so Nomadishly is meant to be like I'm a nomad-ish. I went on a trip a year ago. Well, actually, I went on several trips, I should say. So I went, I don't know, I think 9 different countries over the course of about 10 months. And the way I would do it is I would spend 2 to 3 weeks there and then come home for about 2 weeks because of this guy. Because of him, I'll unblur him at some point so you can see him. But that is Ollie, and I missed him. So I was a nomad, kind of. I like to have my home place to land when I am home in Arizona. So Nomadishly is meant to represent people who want to travel, who want to learn, really become a part of the area in which they are traveling to. So actually experiencing what the local culture is like, food, traditions, music, daily life. It's a travel company meant to help those who are looking for boutique travel experiences and real experiences so they can actually really feel like they get to know the area in which they're staying and the people that they're staying around. So what's happening now is I am using ChatGPT almost exclusively, and any other AI tools I can get my hands on, and lots that I'm still learning, to build this company. So I used it to build a business plan. I'd never built a business plan before. I used it to plan out my workday. I used it to plan my way to monetize my social media platforms at some point. This is a part of it, which is fun because I was doing it anyway. Um, so I decided to really take ChatGPT to the test and see what different elements I can use to really build this company. So this script, the very thing that I am doing to film this, I've got a script over here that I'm struggling to follow. But the script was written by ChatGPT and refined by me over and over and over and over and over again. I think this is take 35 or something. I don't even know. But I'm going to be documenting everything along the way. So you can see what I have to do, how I do it, how it impacts me, the growth of my channel, the growth of my social media platforms. Um, yeah, I'm pretty excited to share all of that with you. So with Nomadishly, my goal is to create unique and personalized travel for each client. So not only am I going to build my business from it, but it's also going to help me to build really cool travel itineraries. So using AI, I'm going to analyze large amounts of data in a short period of time to find the best deals, to find the best destinations and the activities that meet individual preferences. And for a while, all I really want to do is plan travel to areas I know. So the AI is going to be complementing my own personal experience. So we'll see how that goes. So it saves a ton of time on me building a company, hopefully, if I'm doing this right. And then also on people who want to see more. So if you're interested in that kind of content, if you're interested in that, always let me know. Leave a comment down in the comments. So you might be wondering who I am. Like I said, my name is Bree, and I recently in my life made a major life change. I left my job, my corporate job that I've been at for over a decade. Um, it's technically the second time I've done it. I did it about a year and a half ago in order to be able to travel. I guess 2 years ago now, because I traveled for almost a year. Um, and quit my job then with a hefty savings account, blew that savings account traveling, which I don't regret, and I know is an incredible privilege. I'm not in the same situation now, but I did decide to leave. So I left that job in order to pursue other things, and other things is this. So now I am most interested in exploring and building. And so that exploration right now is taking in the place of AI, ChatGPT. That's how that's going to show up for me. Um, and building this channel, building this business to 1,000 subscribers, 10,000, 100,000, and using ChatGPT to do that, and then sharing with all of you how it worked. And maybe it doesn't work. I don't know. This could fall on its face, and then what do I have to lose, right? A little bit of time, a lot of energy, but man, this is fun. This is super cool to learn how to do this. So now, and especially being engaged to somebody who is in tech, our conversations are so interesting. The things that we're learning on ChatGPT and about AI has been pretty cool. So with that said, okay, so my goal for this channel is to provide awesome content that helps you to succeed, understand, and explore the world of ChatGPT and AI. And for me personally, is to grow the channel. So to see if I can get to 100 subscribers. That's my number one goal, or I should say my first goal in building the channel. And then I'm just going to share with you, I will paste in the comments how ChatGPT is showing me how to get my first 100 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 10,000, and 100,000 subscribers. So I will copy and paste the prompt that I used, and then I will also copy and paste the recommendation that they are giving. Because if it's, if it's helpful to me, maybe it'll be helpful to you too. I'm going to make sure I create a little bit of space here. Wait, I guess I gotta go that way. Yeah. Okay, so that's Ollie over there, just so you know. That's my little sweet Sweet schnoodle. Uh, and right over here, I am going to display some text of some things that you can do with ChatGPT that I have found to be incredibly helpful. If you just want to get started today and check it out, it's like I said, it's free. You can have the paid service, but you definitely don't need it. I would say the easiest way to get to it is through this link right here, and you can just go directly to it from there on your phone if you want to, on your, Chrome or Safari, whatever browser you're using. So the first one that I've really enjoyed is for cooking. I have bananas, chocolate chips, oatmeal, and four other things that I had in my pantry, and it just populated these freaking awesome cookies that, by the way, I hardly ever get any of because my fiance is all over them. But uh, that's fantastic. There's like three ingredients and they're perfect. I mean, there's like cinnamon and some other things, right? But it was everything I had in my pantry. I was making something else the other night and it called for baking soda and I didn't have it. So I said, how do I make this without baking soda? Which is not something that you could do just in Googling, right? You don't get the same exact recipe. So that was really cool to be able to do that. The other thing that you can do, which is really interesting, is like philosophical debates. So you can actually tell it, I need a debate partner. I'm interested in engaging in thoughtful discussion. Ask it a philosophical question, have it come back to you, back and forth and back and forth. So I'll give you that too. Book recommendations are a huge one for me. I love murder mysteries. I know that they are supposedly like the bottom rung of mysteries. I don't know. I think they're awesome. I will take a good beach read. If it's something that gets me to read, I'm going to try it. And I love murder mysteries and I love whodunits. And I just don't feel like there's enough out there. So I asked ChatGPT, I'm interested in books like written by Agatha Christie and Sherry LaPena, and it gave me a whole bunch of authors. And that was really helpful. So I was able to do that. The other thing that's been really neat for me is time management. So in building this channel and Nomadishly, so the travel agency and this channel, I have been struggling with not having a good time frame and not knowing how to balance out the launch of a business and a channel at the same time. And so I fed it into, I will actually give you my prompts as well, but I fed it into ChatGPT and said, here are all the things I need to be doing for this organization. Here are my goals. Here's what my schedule looks like. Here are the hours I want to work. Please include pickleball a couple of nights a week, which that eventually got taken out too. But um, and figure in lunch, figure in breaks. And so and then I actually told it to put it in a table for me. So I actually got a table, and then I got smart and learned how to put it into my Gmail calendar, my Google calendar. So it provided a script. I learned how to copy and paste that script into plain text. So again, I can put all this stuff and link it down below for you because I want you to learn as I learn. And spending 2 hours at a co-working space trying to figure out how to add something to a Google Calendar was frustrating. But I figured it out. Now I know how to do it, and I will just give you the link and tell you how to do it. So over the next weeks and months, I'll be running two exciting series. The Nomadishly series, where I document the journey of building my travel company with AI, and the specific AI series, where I explore various ways AI and ChatGPT can enhance our daily lives. And it is changing on the daily. Specifically, Apple just released Apple Intelligence. So I'm interested in digging into that and seeing exactly what's going to be available to us and what privacy concerns Apple Intelligence is going to solve for us. So some of the topics that we'll cover will include using ChatGPT for daily life efficiency, quick tips, or creating personalized travel itineraries, and honestly, so much more. I'll also be sharing the specific prompts I've asked from ChatGPT to help me. If it's building a business plan, creating a personal organization calendar, a content calendar, growing my company into a profit generating source, or if I'm headed into a difficult conversation and don't know how to say it, I will let you know. My goal is to share everything I can with you so that we can be smart users of this technology and then also use it to the best of our ability. What exactly can we do with it? How can we improve our lives with this and create more time and space for the things that we really want to spend time and space with? And of course, there's some things I have to figure out on my own, like refining, changing, adapting my prompts. Yeah, I will share them all with you. So that's the other thing is even this script, the things that I'm reading to you, the things that are on my teleprompter were suggested by ChatGPT. I even the teleprompter app that I'm using was suggested by ChatGPT. So honestly, if you're as excited as I am about the possibilities of AI, if you're interested in what ChatGPT could do for you, if it could build you a company, if you're looking for a side hustle, if you're looking for a way to generate income that is not your 9 to 5, then never miss an update. You saw that coming, didn't you? So hit the notifications bell so that you always get alerted every time I post a new episode. My plan right now is to film during the week, and then every Sunday I'll be posting content. So every Sunday you could sit, have your breakfast, cuddle with your pup, and then listen to the adventures of a girl who doesn't understand much about technology but likes it a whole lot and is bumbling around with ChatGPT and hoping that it creates a new life for me too. So stick around. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Thanks for helping me launch officially. Choo, 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 choo. Maybe I can put something cool on the screen when I do that. Thank you for helping me launch this channel. This is Wander with Bree, and this is a dream that I have been wanting for a really long time. All right. Well, I'm off to learn how to edit. I'm sure as heck going to ask ChatGPT how to do that, and the fiance. And then I guess I got to feed this little guy and take him for a walk. So thanks again for being here, and take care until next time.